Hey, it's Marissa here. Today we're going to be drawing an Among Us crewmate turning Super Saiyan. The first step we're going to take is to draw the hair. You got to get the hair right, right? So let's start by drawing a curved line up like this. And then once you have that, go down and in. Now we're going to create a bunch of these coned layers like this. So I'm going to start right about here and then do another layer by cutting through a bit like this. Start back at the top and then draw a line down like that. Now we're going to draw another layer going up like this. Come back down just a bit. There we go. Now another layer over here that goes down like that. Let's start taking care of the middle here. I'm going to go about here and then go up and in. Now make that line go down just like this. I'm going to cut through again, going up and then go down and in. If there's ever lines that don't touch, all you have to do is just make them touch like that and close it up. The next step we're going to take is to go up again. And then this time go down, 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 and in like that. Now let's create another little spike of a hair coming out like that. There we go. Let's start about here and then go in with a curve like that. And then go down. There we go. We're gonna make some of the hair kind of falling down like this. So let's create another curved line that goes down like that and then come back up here, curve down into a point. Now I'm going to draw another curve going up and curve it down again like that. And then once you have that down, I'm going to go in a bit and curve down again. Just try to make them form little spikes and close them off if they're not closed. Like I see this one over here, he needs to close. So make it curve down into anywhere that you want. There we go. Now let's create some more spike of a hair going this way. I'm gonna start kind of at the point here and go down and in. Now let's go in again. Just like this. Now let's go out, around, and up. I'm gonna go over here and go out and in. Now this line, I'm seeing that it's not touching, so just make it touch any line. There we go. I'm gonna form some more hair right here just to make it a little bit more full. I'm going to go up and spike it in and up, spike it back down. There we go. Now let's draw the crewmate. So the crewmate's going to go right here. I'm going to draw it first over here. Draw a line down, 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 and curve it in just like this. Now go up. And if you can make this side curved, that'd be best. So just go up and then in like this. I'm gonna go down and over and then kind of stop in the middle because this is where our visor is gonna go. So start about here and then go around. If you touch a hair, you can just go through or go across it. And then go out, over, 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 and then up and in. There we go. Now let's make this line touch. Perfect. And then let's draw the pack on the back here. I'm gonna go down and in just like that. So there we go. Let's start coloring and put the flames in the back here while you're coloring in blue. Let's do it. our Super Saiyan crewmate. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe for brand new drawings. I will see you next time. Bye.